What's going on, ladies and gentlemen, YouTube Color Comic back with another episode, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to draw Pikachu. This is going to be the start of our Pokemon series for the next couple of videos. If you guys like what you see and you guys want to see more, please comment which Pokemon you would like me to show you how to draw in the comments down below. Make sure to like and subscribe, and let's get to it. To start this video off today, I want to let you guys know that I started using Tombow pens. So I have the soft tip Tombow pen, and I also went and picked up the hard tip Tombow pen. Now, David Finch, being one of my favorite artists, he uses these and recommends these. So I thought to myself, the only place I can find this is on Amazon. Wrong. Hobby Lobby coming through in the clutch. Enough about all that. Let's get into drawing this Pikachu. The first thing you're going to want to do when you do this Pikachu is we're going to start drawing his head so we kind of know where the rest of everything else goes. We're going to move into doing the top of his head, which is going to be a little rounded arc right here at the top. Then we'll do his ears. And his little ears have the black tips to them, so we'll make a U shape inside of that. We'll finish rounding out his head on the other side. Now, personally, the next best place to start would be doing his little arms. He's kind of got some chunky arms, but those arms will start at the bottom of his head here. Swoop another line up. Don't connect it all the way. I just do tiny little squiggles for his little fingers there. So his little thigh is gonna have a bump. Comes out like this. Then his foot. Bottom of his thigh from his wrist to his ankle. Couple lines for his toes. Now we can move on to his other leg. He's got these little half circle or half oval feet. And we're gonna put a line there to connect it to make it look like his legs and his body are all one. Perfect. 2 lines up here for his toes. Then his back will run from his toe all the way up to his cheek. Forgot about that. Don't forget about your little ear tips on your Pikachu. So we'll move into his tail. There's his tail. We will do his cheek, his mouth, his other cheek, which actually, you know what? For his other cheek, I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna break out the perfect circles because it just looks better. He looks terrifying. All right, guys, and there you have it, a fully drawn and colored Pikachu. Please drop a comment in the comment section down below for the Pokemon that you would like to see me draw next, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.